I recently went on a chapter, the Deccan Voyage, with Project One Line. And this is my story, Outside My Rucksack.
Deepanshu, Sagar, and we have just left from HSR layout now. We'll be heading out to Hassan and then we might go to Sakleshpur. So yeah, we'll keep you posted. So we just visited a famous church called Shetty Halli. Yeah, Shetty Halli Church. We took some drone shots and so we drove some 50 kilometers from Sakhleshpur and we are here on a cliff. We are cooking our food and Deepanshu was bit by a leech just 10 minutes ago. It's around 9:30 at night. This is our friend Kamal. And that Deepanshu eating chips, banana chips. We just had our breakfast and lunch near our van. And Abhi, there's a really nice and beautiful pond here that we'll be taking a dip and maybe fly our drone as well. Hi everyone. So we are staying in a mansion in Mangalore. We came here at 12 last night. It's a beautiful isolated place in front of a beach and we have a stream flowing right backside. I'll show you around. Hi everyone. So when you're in Mangalore, one of our followers contacted us. His name is Akshay and he's from this small place called Moodbidri. I think I'm pronouncing it right, near Mangalore. So we just came here to meet him and we might stay here. And there's a sunset going right in front of me. It's really beautiful. I'll fly my drone. Hi everyone. So we are staying in a place called the Estate Resort in Moodbidri. It's a beautiful place right on the outskirts of the main town. We'll show you around now. Hi everyone. So I am in Gokarna right now. We reached like 2 hours back and currently we are shooting the sunset. That's right over there.
Cerca cuando quiero de decirte adiós, pero no hoy. My heart's beating, boom, ba, boom, ba, yeah. Beating, beating harder, boom, ba, boom, ba, yeah. My heart's beating, boom, ba, boom, ba, yeah. Beating, beating harder, boom, ba, boom, ba, tanto, tanto, tanto llevo, pero no encuentro las
So this was our first vlog from our travel series. If you liked our content, please like, share and subscribe. Also share your valuable feedback in the comments. Thank you.